Hi, my name's Pete Christofferson and I work for Chicago Faucets. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the newest addition to our concealed deck faucets, the 405 series. The 405 offers true commercial grade quality with a one-piece cast brass spout and shank. The shank incorporates an anti-rotational notch to prevent vandalism. The solid brass one-piece underbody has the cartridges and handle stems pre-installed for easier installation. The fully threaded valve body allows you to install it on almost any deck thickness. The 405 series is also available with a flexible hose underbody for sinks with centers from 6 inches all the way up to 26 inches. Today's installation will be with the solid underbody for 8-inch centers, but the installation steps are basically the same. The first step is to grease the O-rings on the spout shaft. You'll find a grease packet included with the product. It's important that you coat all 4 O-rings liberally. Now take the rubber washer and place it over the shank. Slide the shank through the center hole of the sink. Secure it to the sink with the metal washer and nut. Hand tighten for now. Now we're going to attach the underbody. Hot and cold are identified to help with proper installation. Push the center of the underbody onto the shank. Be careful not to pinch the O-rings. Use the lock washer and nut to secure the underbody to the shank. Hand tighten for now. Now go above deck and place a sealing washer over each handle stem. Be sure to have the correct side facing up. With the sealing washers in place, slide a retaining clip into the groove of each cartridge housing. Place an escutcheon over each handle stem and secure with a cap nut. Below deck, hand tighten the white flanged nuts. Tighten with a wrench about a half turn more. Using a wrench, tighten the shank and body nuts. Install the handles and index rings. You'll need a hex wrench to tighten the vandal-proof screw. Flush the supply lines before connecting to the faucet. Remove the aerator and flush again. And that's it. The 405's installed and ready to deliver years of trouble-free operation. For more information, be sure to visit our website or contact your local Chicago Faucets distributor.